Within CSRconnect, branding refers to logo and colors, while design refers primarily to images and widgets as assembled on the home page and as a secondary element, engagement elements. The home page allows for the creation of an experience that supports your goals. This includes the ability to visually tie these goals using your corporate logo and colors for branding. The home page demonstrates numerous elements of the branding that can be selected, including the logo, which will show on the upper left corner of the page, a primary button color, which will be featured on any of the prominent buttons on the site. There is also a secondary button color for things like cancel. There is a primary nav bar functionality color. To the right, the used links, the links that most frequently used, demonstrate the link color, with subsequent functionalities demonstrating a secondary button color. An icon color can also be selected for the icons used throughout the site. This settings overview is from the perspective of post-launch edits. This page contains the elements needed to set up community branding and can be screenshot, or if you prefer written instructions, search community branding in the Help Center. Access to edit community branding is a permission setting that lives on the far right-hand side of the page under the person icon. Click CSRconnect Admin to access the admin portal. When it loads, go to the far left-hand side of the page and select Community Settings, then Community Branding. To edit a color, you can click in any part of the box and you will see the color options appear. You can select hex, click the down or up arrow to select RGBA or HSLA. Logos can be updated using either drag and drop functionality or by uploading a file. A new functionality is Design Preview. The first preview is of the desktop. It shows the logo and the top nav bar colors, including what links look like when it's opened. There's a mobile preview, and mobile would be either a phone or a tablet device. There's then a preview of primary and secondary buttons, as well as active links and icons. The preview functionality is dynamic and reflects changes as soon as they are made. We'll demonstrate this by changing the color on the primary button. As soon as the new code is entered, the button color updates. If these are the intended changes, to save them, just click Save Changes at the bottom and the site will be updated immediately. If site design involves segmentation, then alongside the Save Changes button will be a button that says Apply to Segments. Clicking the button will display a modal that includes the name of all segments. If there are multiple segments, then you can search to find the ones that you are specifically interested in. Click the box to the left of the name of the segment to be updated, and then select Apply to add the updated branding to the segments.